Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most viral weight loss products making the rounds online, DropThePounds.com. You've probably seen it all over TikTok, with creators claiming it works like Ozempic or Mounjaro, but without injections or prescriptions. Sounds impressive. Maybe too impressive. So today, we're breaking down whether it's scam or legit. Let's get into it. So, Drop the Pounds markets itself as a needle-free, prescription-free oral GLP-1 activator. They claim their main ingredient, a peptide called retreatide, can activate GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon receptors just like the real medications do. They also say it's blended with MCT oil and Irish sea moss for enhanced absorption. Now, on the surface, that sounds scientific, but here's where things get sketchy. First, the price, $449.99 per month, for a supplement with no published clinical trials, no peer-reviewed research, and no publicly available white papers. That's a giant red flag. Any product claiming pharmaceutical level effects needs pharmaceutical level evidence, and this one doesn't provide it. Second, the core ingredient, retreatide, appears to be a mislabeling of retatrutide, a real experimental drug that's still in clinical trials. That means it is not approved, not legally sold over the counter, and definitely not available in a simple oral dropper mixed with sea moss. Scientifically, that's extremely questionable. Then there's the marketing. If you've seen their TikTok ads, they feature doctors explaining how the product works. But these are clearly AI-generated personas with no real credentials or verifiable identities. They throw around buzzwords like metabolic reset and virtual coaching, but none of it links to real medical expertise. On top of that, the ingredients list is vague, no dosage, no third-party testing, no explanation of how these ingredients supposedly work together. For a product claiming it can mimic powerful prescription drugs, transparency is the bare minimum, and we don't get it. And finally, the online reviews. There are very few, and the ones that do exist are generic, vague, and nearly impossible to verify. No before and after photos, no detailed experiences, just short, suspiciously positive blurbs. So is DropThePounds.com a scam or legit? Based on the price, the lack of scientific evidence, the questionable ingredients, and AI-generated doctors, this product raises way too many red flags. Until there's real proof, this looks more like a clever marketing scheme than a legitimate medical solution. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.